Hey, do you know? There's a lots of fear in the air. People are worried AI is going to take all our job. ChatGPT will replace writer, robot will run the world. But here's the thing. Fear comes when we don't fully understand what are we facing. So today, let's talk not from fear, but for clarity. Let's break this down. AI versus job. Who really win the future? We have all seen tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Copilot. They are not science fiction anymore. They are real. And they are everywhere. These tools can write code, solve query, even make logos. And I will be honest, it is very impressive. But here's a key insight. AI is not here to take your job, it's here to take task. There's a difference. Think about Excel. When it came in, did accountant lose their job? No. They just got faster, smarter or more valuable. Same story. In India, Infosys, Wipro, even startup, they are already training employees on AI tools. And globally, Amazon Google company, they are calling AI an engine, not an enemy. So let's not sugarcoat it. Yes, some job will be vanish, like data entry, basic design, and repetitive customer support. But again, think deeper. When ATM came, did banks shut down? No. They evolved, right? So which job are safe and what job will be rise? It is the question. If you are expert in your field, you have an extra skill, so you don't need to fear because you are unique. No AI can replace you, right? So learn your skill with very unique style, right? In this AI time, job that need human thinking, emotional intelligence and creativity and leadership also. So if you have these skills, you don't need to worry about AI expansion. For example, if you are cybersecurity expert, you don't need to worry about AI. And if you are brain health expert, AI also can't replace you because you are connect with your patient emotionally and AI can't do this, right? So after this, what we really need is it mind shift, not just a new degree, not another online course. We need to think how can I use AI like a partner? Use ChatGPT to ease your work. Use automation to free your time. Let AI do the math and you do the magic. So if you follow that kind of approach, you will definitely control AI. Right? Now let's talk about ethics like deepfake, misinformation, and biasness. Yes, these dangers are real. AI can be misused. But who is responsible for this? Not just engineer, all of us. We need ethical creator and aware user. Right? So now you decide who win this AI versus job battle. We do if we are willing to evolve. AI will not replace you, but a person using AI just might. So learn, adopt, and don't hide from change. Become the change. If this topic helped you see the future more clearly, share it and let's stop the fear. Let's start the awareness and let's grow together. Subscribe for more truth, not noise, not hype, just real knowledge. Because this podcast is your partner in this age of AI. So once again, thank you so much for listening. See you later.